Hi everybody, welcome to the 2011-2012 Pioneer Certified Hockey Box Break. Now you see the screen of the eBay about the last team who was winning yesterday. It's the kind of Vancouver Canucks. So here you see that's a new box. It's a seal box. You have the serial number here. It's, I don't know if you will see it right. It's 938-938-58. That's a new box. So here we go now. Good chance, everybody. We have the checklists, and we have the 10 bucks. Nothing else here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. So we can go now with the first one, first box. Base card of Tim Thomas. Base card of Tim Thomas. We have a base card of Mikko Koivu. Base card of Craig Anderson. We have a red mirror of Danny Heatley. Number 58 of 199. Great card for Minnesota Wild. We have a spacer and a base card. Pack number 2. Base card for Andreas Pavlik. Base card for John Tavares. Base cards Steven Stamkos. We have a freshman signature of Jan Sauvé, Vancouver Canucks. Nice card. No serial number on it. We have a spacer. We have a base card. Pack number 3. Base card, Marc-Andre Fleury. Base card, Erik Karlsson. Base card, Niklas Backstrom. A masked marvel of P.K. Rinne for Nashville. We have a spacer and a base card, Jeff Carter. Base card, Thomas Vanek. Base card, base card, base card, spacer, and a base card. Pack number 5. Base card, base card, base card, base card. Oh, we have a great one for Los Angeles Kings. A Jonathan Quick 2-color jersey, a red one. That's a base card. See, that's the number 91 of 99. Great hit for Los Angeles Kings. Base card, base card, base card, base card, spacer, base card. Base card, base card, base card. We have Charlie Simmer throwback treats, Cleveland Barrels. That's, oh, no cereal. That's number 3. no serial. That's from Cleveland Barrel, so we have to check for which team it goes. Spacer and base card. Spacer, oh sorry, base card, base card, base card, base card. Oh, we have a redemption card here. Just check its number. People see well. It's number 95. Fabric of the game jersey number signature number 95. So we check here. Fabric of the game jersey signature. Fabric of the game number 95. That's Ryan Callahan. Oh, sorry, we don't see. That's Ryan Callahan. So it's from New York Rangers. So a great card for New York Rangers. Wow. So I will mail it to you again. Two back to go. Base card, base card, base card, a blue mirror, Ryan Smith, Los Angeles Kings. It's number 56 of 99. So another hit for Los Angeles Kings. And the last one. Base card, base card, base card, base card. Oh, we have a jersey card. Keith Yandel, Coyote Phoenix Coyotes. So that's a jersey. It's number 11 of 25. So it's a great one. Perfect. And we have a base card. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for this box break. So your card will be shipped rapidly. So just check the next one. We'll be sure next week. So if you have any comments or something, just email me. Thanks and goodbye.